Do you want to view your transaction history with more than 3 months on Binance? Here's how you do it. Just simply access your account on Binance.com or your application, and once you're in, just simply navigate to this icon which is located beside the profile icon and find for the transaction history. And once you find it, just simply click on it and you will redirect to the transaction history page. And for you to able to find the transaction history within 3 months or basically 90 or more than 90 days, just simply click this time right here and just simply click the past 90 days. And you can now see all of your transaction within the span of 3 months or 90 days. Or if you want, just simply click the time again and you can customize it of what specific date you wanted to see your transactions. And you can see your transaction history between or within 12 months only. And that's how you see or check your transaction history with more than 3 months.